Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be explaining about shielded metal arc welding. We already know that what is welding process. Shielded metal arc welding is also a welding process, and in welding process what we do, we join two similar or dissimilar metals. In SMAW or shielded metal arc welding process, we also joins two metals by the use of application of heat. So we heat the metal, and after heating the metal fuses and mixes together, and after solidification we get the welding joint. So here we are using a power source, that is welding machine, and that power source connects with the two wires. One wire connects with the electrode holder, and the second one is connected to the workpiece. Those will be joined by this SMAW process. When the electric current is flowing through that wire, electric spark is generated on the electrode, and that spark creates heat near about 6000 degrees Celsius, and that melts the metals, and after solidification we get the welding joint. Here we use the flux coated electrode. That coating or that flux creates slag or solid slag on the welding bead. That solid slag protects the welding bead from the atmospheric oxygen and nitrogen, and it also helps the welding bead to cool slowly, and we get the distort free and perfect welding joint. So this is SMAW or shielded metal arc welding process. It is also called manual metal arc welding process. This is the one of the oldest welding process. So in the ancient age, we can say that in ancient age the first welding process was this SMAW. That time it was called manual metal arc welding or MMA welding process. So here what we do, here this is the figure of manual metal arc welding or SMAW. We can clearly see that this is the base metal and this is the weld deposited. This is the welding zone, and this is the slag. This is electrode. So shielded metal arc welding is a process in which an electric arc is found between a coated electrode and the workpiece metal. The heat from the arc melts both the electrode and the base metal, forming a weld pool that solidifies to make a strong joint. So this is the SMAW words in shielded metal arc welding. So what is the working principle? So here I have described the working principle. So I have discussed previously that what is the working principle. So here we can see the power source or the welding machine and two cables. One cable is connected to the electrode and second one is connected to the workpiece. So when the electrode, that is the flux coated electrode, when the electrode is strike on the workpiece, a spark generated, and the spark creates near about 6000 degrees Celsius temperature, and by the temperature the electrode and the workpiece melts and mixes together, and after some wet or after the solidification we get the weldment. So firstly an electric current passes through the electrode, that's correct. The arc is struck between the electrode tip and the workpiece. Because of this striking, the spark generated and heat generated near about 6000 degrees Celsius and melts both the electrode tip and the base metal. So welding is done. By this process, the flux coating on the electrode burns and produces a shielding gas. So it also produces shielding gas. The shielding gas mainly contains carbon dioxide, CO2, and that protects the molten metal from atmospheric contamination, oxygen and nitrogen. And when it cools, the slag solidifies. Slag covers the weld bead, and it is chipped off. The solid slag from the weld bead or weld zone, it is chipped off from the welded zone. If more machining process is required or the finishing process is required, that is done on that welding bead. So this is the working principle of shielded metal arc welding process. Next one, the advantages. So it is very simple and inexpensive equipment. So the equipments are inexpensive and it is also very simple, and it is suitable for both indoor and outdoor work. Also the works with ferrous and non-ferrous metals. So we can weld ferrous and non-ferrous both metals on SMAW. It is also portable and easy to operate. So it is one type of electric arc welding, nothing but this is electric arc welding. So it also has some limitations. So it requires frequent electrode replacement. So this is the one type of electric arc welding, and it uses consumable electrode. So we need to replace the electrode frequently. Produces slag that must be cleaned. It is also one type of disadvantage. A low welding speed compared to automated methods. So it is manual metal arc welding. So it can be automated. So it is slower process than the automatic methods. So it also needs skilled operators for high quality welds. So anyone if want to this kind of welding process, so he or she will be fail to do that, because skilled operator need to do this welding process. Next, the application. So in structural steel fabrication, shipbuilding, pipeline working and maintenance and repairs works, the SMAW are used frequently. So in this video I have discussed about shielded metal arc welding process. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.